Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online EVS class, and you all know that we have started this week with a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, our food. So as you all know children, every day in EVS I am giving you two parts, okay, videos in two parts. Part 1 video of explanation and part 2 video of some exercise. So in the same manner, before also when I have started this chapter, I gave you two videos, part 1 and part 2. And our part 1 video was explanation of half chapter, and our part 2 video was of new words. So children, I hope you all have completed both the two things. First one was your homework to read the half chapter twice or thrice at home, and your second assignment was to complete the new words in your EVS notebook. So I hope you all have completed that. Now today I am going to complete the chapter explanation of the leftover part, second part, okay, and in part 2 video I will be giving you one notebook exercise, okay. So are you all prepared children? Very good. So let's get started. For reading and explanation children, you have to take out your Enjoying Environmental Studies book number 1 for class 1 and then turn to page number 19. Now as you all know children, this page I have explained you before only. This was the first part which I explained you. I have read it also. Now I hope you all have understood what was in this part. So those who have not watched my first video, I will again explain this and then move on to my next page, that is the next part of this topic, okay. So are you all ready children? Very good. Our chapter number 6 topic is our food. In this chapter we have studied about that we all need food. Why do we eat food? Why do we need food? We all need food to get energy to work and play, become strong and healthy, and to grow. We get food from two sources. One is from plants and one is from animals, okay. We get fruits, vegetables, food grains, wheat, rice and maize from plants. All these things we get from plants. And from animals we get meat, milk, eggs, fish, butter, meat, milk, eggs and fish, okay. These four things we get from animals. And from milk we can make butter, cheese, ghee, ice cream, etc., okay. All these things are made from milk. Now as you all know, I explained you before also that milk is a complete food, and every day we should drink 2 glasses of milk. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood this much part. Now turn to page number 20. As you can see here, page number 20, okay. And on this page we are going to study about eating time. Now what is eating time? You all know that we eat 3 meals in a day. हम लोग 3 times हमारे meals होते हैं एक दिन में, okay. We must have our meals at fixed time. हम लोगों को एक fixed time पे अपने तीनों meals खाने चाहिए, okay. We take breakfast in the morning. We should always have a glass of milk with breakfast. Now सबसे पहला जो हमारा meal होता है वो सुबह सुबह होता है, and that is known as breakfast, okay. जो सबसे पहले सुबह सुबह का meal होता है, that what is it known as? Breakfast. Now with breakfast children we should always drink a glass of milk, okay. हम लोगों को रोज breakfast के संग एक glass milk का पीना चाहिए. Is that clear? So we take breakfast in the morning. We should always have a glass of milk with breakfast. Now the second meal, which is in the afternoon, that is known as lunch, okay. We take lunch in the afternoon. दोपहर के खाने को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Lunch. LUNCH, lunch. We should have chapatis, rice, dal and vegetables for lunch. हमें अपने lunch में क्या क्या खाना चाहिए? Chapatis, that is roti, rice, that is चावल, दाल आप लोग खाते हैं, and vegetables. So children, these 4 things should be always there in your lunch, okay. Now coming to the next the third meal of our day, that is dinner. We take dinner at night. रात का जो हम खाना खाते हैं, what meal is that known as? That is known as dinner. Dinner should be light. हमारा dinner कैसा होना चाहिए? Light होना चाहिए. हमें हल्का खाना खाना चाहिए रात में. We should always have a glass of milk with dinner. Now, as you all know that I have explained before that we should drink 2 glasses of milk daily. So first glass of milk you will always take with your breakfast in the morning, and second glass of milk after having your dinner you can take in the night. Okay, so before going to bed, we take dinner at night. Dinner should be light. We should always have a glass of milk with dinner. Is that clear to you all? Now next is, we should eat our meals at the right time. It keeps us strong and healthy. Now this is very important children, because in this it is said that we should eat our meals. हमारे जो भी 3 times की meals हैं वो हमें कैसे खाने चाहिए? बिल्कुल टाइम से, राइट टाइम से. क्यों खाना चाहिए? बिकॉज इट कीप्स अस स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी. टाइम से हम खाना खाएंगे तो इट विल कीप अस स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज ऑफ गुड फूड हैबिट्स. इज दैट क्लियर? गुड फूड हैबिट्स मीन्स आपको खाना खाने के जो गुड हैबिट्स होते हैं, दोज आर नोन एज गुड फूड हैबिट्स. नाउ व्हाट आर गुड फूड हैबिट्स चिल्ड्रन? यू विल लर्न हियर. ऑलवेज हैव गुड फूड हैबिट्स. यू मस्ट, नंबर 1 इज वॉश योर हैंड्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर एवरी मील. जब भी आप खाना खाने बैठो उससे पहले आपको अपने हाथ धोने चाहिए, और जब आप खाना खा चुको, जब खाना सब लोग खा लेते हैं तो भी आपको हाथ धोना चाहिए. यू शुड वॉश योर हैंड बिफोर एंड आफ्टर एवरी मील. सेकेंड इज वी शुड ईट स्लोली. हमें खाने को धीरे धीरे खाना चाहिए, बहुत जल्दी में नहीं. थर्ड इज वी शुड च्यू द फूड वेल. हमें अच्छे से चबा के खाना चाहिए जिससे कि हमें बाद में दिक्कत नहीं हो. Drink plenty of water every day. This is the main thing children, you should always remember, as these days it is very hot. So you should drink plenty of water every day. एक दिन में आपको 8 to 10 glasses of water तो पीना ही पीना है. Okay. Now number 5th is not eat uncovered food. अगर आपका food covered नहीं है, ढक के नहीं रखा है, so please don't eat that uncovered food. Okay. Next is number 6, not overeat. If you are not willing to eat, then just take little bit of food and then don't overeat. Is that clear? So these are some 6 points which are known as good food habits. Are you all now understood about this topic? Now once again I will be going to read this topic of eating time and good food habits. Listen to it carefully. We eat 3 meals in a day. We must have our meals at fixed times. We take breakfast in the morning. We should always have a glass of milk with breakfast. We take lunch in the afternoon. We should have chapatis, rice, dal and vegetables for lunch. We take dinner at night. Dinner should be light. We should always have a glass of milk with dinner. Now the most important thing, we should eat our meals at the right time. It keeps us strong and healthy. Good food habits. Always have good food habits. You must wash your hands before and after every meal. Eat slowly. Chew the food well. Drink plenty of water every day. Not eat uncovered food and do not overeat. Is that clear to you all? I hope this part is all clear to you children. Now coming to the yellow box on the next page, do you know? These are some facts. Oily food and cold drinks are not good for health. You all know that a lot of oily food and cold drinks are not at all good for your health. They can harm you. Too many sweets, टॉफ़ीज़ एंड चॉकलेट्स स्पॉइल आवर टीथ. अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा मीठा खाओगे या टॉफ़ीज़ ऑल द टाइम यू आर ईटिंग टॉफ़ीज़ और चॉकलेट्स, देन योर टीथ विल बी स्पॉइल्ड. सो यू शुड अवॉइड ईटिंग स्वीट्स, टॉफ़ीज़ एंड चॉकलेट्स many times. Okay, you can just eat 1 toffee or 2 toffees daily, or you can eat only 1 chocolate daily, but all the time you cannot eat these things because your teeth will be spoiled. Is that clear, children? So I hope all this topic is all clear to you, and I hope there is no problem. So children, listen to this video very carefully and listen to each and every pronunciation very carefully, and then you will read this part which I have explained you at home twice or thrice. Now next is moving towards our part 2 video, in which I will be giving you one notebook exercise. So till my next video, bye bye.